Hi everyone! So for today, we're going to cook shrimp and pineapple red curry. So you can find the main ingredient in Karman Foods. Just visit www.karmanfoods.com. It's the #1 curated Asian food grocer. It is the ultimate place for your Asian needs. We can provide Asian ethnic food ingredients and deliver it to your doorstep. We have Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and Southeast Asian ingredients. For the main ingredient, we have here Ploy red curry paste. So this one weighs 2 pounds and 3 ounces or 1,000 grams. The main ingredient of this red curry paste is garlic, dried red chili, lemongrass, shallot, salt, galangal, shrimp paste, kaffir lime peel, pepper. So this product may contain traces of fish. And it contains shrimp. So this product have no added MSG, no preservative, and no artificial flavor. And this one is a product of Thailand. And also here you can see the nutrition facts. So this container contains 100 servings and each serving size is 2 teaspoons or 10 grams. So the amount per serving is 15 calories. It has no saturated fat, trans fat, and even cholesterol. There is also a direction here where you can read a recipe that you can try on. So there's a suggestion that for a milder flavor, you have to portion the curry paste. You have here at the top of the container a best before date. So this one is the manufacturing date and this one is the expiration date. So this one should not be exposed to sunlight and you should refrigerate it after opening. Now we're going to open the package, and as you can see, there is plastic of curry paste here. So I'll show you how big it is. So this one is the shrimp curry paste. So you can open this one here at the corner. So this one is the red curry paste. You just have to squeeze it out like this. Let's check the texture. So this is the texture. It's close to being in powder form. And now that you are done using the shrimp curry paste, you just have to fold it like this. And make sure that there's no air inside. And just put it back here at the top. So it's very easy. Place it back here and then you just have to close it again. So first, we're going to need a pan or skillet, and then we have to heat the pan and make sure that the pan is already hot before adding the oil. Now that the pan is hot, let's add the oil. Swirl the pan to spread the oil. Once the oil is hot, we can now add the green and red pepper. Just stir fry the green and red pepper for 3 to 4 minutes until it's tender. After 3 minutes, we have to set aside the pepper so that it won't overcook. Now, we can add the garlic and just saute it for a minute until fragrant. Now that it's fragrant, we can add the red onions. And then saute it again until the onions are translucent. Then let's add our main ingredient, shrimps. Make sure that the shrimps are already deveined and shelled for easier cooking, but you can leave the tails of the shrimp. Let's stir fry the shrimp. Stir fry it until it's cooked or the color is a bit orange or pink. But don't overcook it. As you can see, the shrimps are already turning into color orange. These are small shrimps, but you can use the jumbo ones. So I think this is okay already. Let's add the main ingredient, the Ploy-red curry paste. Combine it with the shrimps. Or you can toast it for better flavor. Now let's pour the coconut milk. Then the water. Let's mix the coconut milk and water with the shrimps and red curry paste. Just stir it continuously until it's well combined and the color is no longer white. As you can see, the color of the sauce is already turning into orange. We have to let this one boil for 5 minutes. Now that it's boiling, you have to stir it again and reduce the heat to low and just let it simmer for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, stir it again. The sauce is already thick, so now we can add back the red and green peppers to warm through. Now mix it again. We can now turn off the heat and then add the pineapple. Then just mix it again. Now we're going to serve this one with rice and top it with parsley. Now I have hot rice here, and then we can serve shrimp and pineapple curry. So that's it, and then we just have to top it with coriander, parsley, or basil. So here's our finished recipe. So this is the shrimp and pineapple red curry. And this recipe is good for 2 serves. We use our main ingredient, which is the Ploy-red-curry paste. You can find this ingredient in Karman Foods. Just visit www.karmanfoods.com. Our selection are constantly growing, and if you have any suggestions, please contact us at our website. Happy eating!
Enjoy. Bye-bye.